Kiara's vlog. It's Keegan. What's up? I'm starting her vlog. Okay, so weird thing. I'm wearing pants in July. Where I live, it's like 120 degrees. In here, it's not 120 degrees. And last night, Kiara was saying how hot the car was. And I was like, what are you talking about? It's kind of cold. Yeah, we're going to the coast apparently. I don't really know what we're doing. I don't really understand half the things she says because I'm not from here.
What's up?
So we're going to the coast.
Beach.
Let's go get away.
It's not really like a beach. If you're from Oregon, you understand, you know. Whoa!
Just Oregonian things.
Yeah, just Oregonian things. It's kind of more of just like a cold beach. It's beautiful.
We're going there. This is gorgeous.
We've been rolling out, top down, telling you now we're gonna go all the way up, cause we got it all figured it out for the both of us.
We're here with Keegan. We're here at Canon Beach and we're about to go have lunch at Moe's. So cool. Like you can see Haystack Rock way there. We're going to Moe's, so that's what's up. View, it's so pretty. There's Haystack Rock. It is a little bit bright. Hey guys, what's up? We just ordered.
Welcome to our mukbang, mukbang. It's mukbang is the correct pronunciation, but mukbang is the American version.
Comment down below if you know. We're here at the beach chilling out. Look at this background. Cheers. Your fork is like glowing right now in the sun. Trying the seafood. What is this? Alfredo? A+. And we have garlic bread. And we have this view.
And we have Kiara, so
she's so nice. We're gonna walk all the way down there so that we can get some better pics for my feed, and then we're gonna walk the other way for Keegan's feed. Woo! Keegan, check it out, it's the Grand Canyon over there. Oh my God. Do you feel like home?
not really because it's 6 hours from my house, but still it's home. Tell me that you don't see like Pretty Little Liars, like A's murdering someone in those trees, like with a mist.
Come to Oregon, visit Oregon, travel Oregon. Not sponsored. Okay, so quick vlog update.
We're starting a time lapse and
Keegan's a photographer.
Sunday, I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this drive.
Okay, so I want to know a funny story.
so we're walking and we keep hearing the sound and we're like, oh, it's probably a bird. And it sounds like this. Ready? Turn up the audio, Kiara. Maybe
hopefully you can hear it. Do you guys hear that?
It's our feet.
I'm like, Keegan, what is that? And she goes, it's a bird. I'm like, really? It's following us.
Yeah, I was like, I don't get it. And then it wasn't a bird, it was us.
And then it was our feet, so that's the story. Actually look like a legit princess.
I'm not a princess, but I'm taking over Kiara's vlog. And she's trying to take pictures of me on my phone. I'm like, this girl? What?
Is it Jay-Z or J? It's JT. It's JT. I don't know.
There's JT and there's KP. Play right now.
Whose name is? We're gonna attempt to do this thing.
I don't know this. I've never even seen the videos. I want ya and I need ya.
Make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay. Waking up to another day.
This is so picture perfect. I literally could take a nap here and live here forever. The sun is so warm right now. It says it's 63, but Keegan and I were like, it literally feels like 77.
Appreciate it, Oregon. I needed this.
We're going to Sea Level Bakery and Coffee. Keegan and I just found this really cute coffee shop. Big fan.
It is so cute. I'm in love. I want my future house to look like this. So whoever designed it, hit me up and design my house in like 20 years.
I got iced caramel macchiato because I need some energy to drive right now, so that's what we're doing. It's really good, actually. Keegan doesn't like coffee.
Whoever's gonna like attack me.
Oh, don't attack Keegan.
Hey, Kiara's vlog. We're back home. Kiara's trying to feed me right now.
Keegan goes, do you want gushers? Which basically means she's hungry.
Thank you for the food. Love you.
Guys, check out these photos that we took. Isn't Keegan so cute? We got so many pigs. Look how cute she is. These are so cute. Not me. I mean Keegan. But we got so many pigs. Look at this. Follow us on Instagram if you want to see all these pigs. We're gonna go get food right now, but I just wanted to show you guys because look how cute.
Those are the ones that I forgot to delete. Like, look at my eyes.
That one? Oh, that's my personal favorite. You gotta keep that one. That was a good one. That was definitely a keeper. Hello. We are here with Keegan, and we just got burgers at our favorite little grocery store.
Have you ever seen that Vine? She looks at him and she goes, hi, and he goes, okay. Have you seen that one?
No! Remember, I don't know Vine references like you know.
Let's Google.
Look it up. I want to see this.
It's
the
the
most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Hi.
Okay.
That's what's going on. We're out here with our little burgers. We're gonna eat the burgers. Yeah, the lighting's fantastic.
You want a burger, eat a burger.
And I'm just gonna end the vlog because I need to post a video tomorrow, which is Friday. Keegan and I are gonna stay up late and we're gonna edit together. It's gonna be very productive, very fun. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and go follow her. Okay, bye guys.